welcome back to my channel. In this video we're talking about spring and essential oils. I have a lot to share in this blog post and I don't want to just share every single bit of it because I would talk for 20 minutes. So I'm going to share bits of this, but just know that the link to all of the information and more stuff and all of the diffuser blends will be linked down below in this blog post. So I'm going to talk about what oils in general are just really good for spring, why essential oils are good for allergies in the springtime, some spring diffuser blends, of course. Spring is such a fun time to diffuse for me personally, just because I love floral essential oils, and that is spring, right? And then cleaning, because cleaning is one of the main reasons that we got into essential oils, cleaning and laundry. And so I'm just going to share some cleaning tips and some recipes. That will be linked down below too, but let's get started. First, I'll just share the like 3 most popular essential oils for spring: lemon, lavender, and peppermint. These are 3 oils that are really just such versatile oils in every season, but in spring they're just more popular because that trio is the infamous lavender, lemon, peppermint allergy trio, which you can put in a roller and roll on all over for seasonal allergies, or you can take in a capsule if you're comfortable with ingesting, and you can also diffuse, and it will help with the different symptoms that you get from seasonal allergies or hay fever. So lemon is great for cleaning. You can add it to almost any cleaning recipe to boost its power. It's nature's Goo Gone. You can use it to remove sticky stuff. I can't tell you how many times I've used lemon to remove sticker residue because the girls love to put stickers on things that they shouldn't. And then just a random use for it is those little tiny rubber bands. We just put a drop on in their hair and it just pops them right out. It has antimicrobial properties, so it's good for fighting germs and bacteria. That's why also that is also why it's great for adding to cleaning products. Peppermint is next, and this is just a great all-around multi-use oil as well, but it's really good for decongesting, so congestion, headaches, kind of those symptoms from allergies. It's also a natural insect repellent, so along with like lemongrass, and there's a handful of oils that are really good for repelling bugs and spiders and things like that. Lavender is also great for spring, just to give you that floral note to different essential oil blends or diffuser blends, but it also has the anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, so it's really good skin soothing, but also has those properties that are going to help with the things that allergies tend to give us too. Lavender is also really great in skincare, so if you're making a new spring lineup for skincare, if you're into like DIY skincare products like I am, adding lavender to like your toner or moisturizer would be a really good idea. Okay, I have an entire blog post coming with I think 50 or 20 or 50, I can't remember the number, but a lot of spring diffuser blends, but I just have 3 that I'll share with you. Springtime Fresh, 2 drops lemon, 2 drops lavender, and 2 drops peppermint. One is the allergy blend, so that's gonna smell good and just give you spring vibes, but it's also gonna help with your allergy symptoms. Flower Power is next. It's 3 drops geranium, 3 lavender, and 2 ylang ylang. I think we're only missing clary sage, and we have all of my favorite floral oils in that one, but that one's going to be super just a really pretty and uplifting scent. Sunny Day, 2 drops bergamot, 2 lemon, and 2 grapefruit, so really citrusy. Citrus oils are the freshest on the planet. I love them, so even adding like a citrus to that Flower Power one would be really good to get the uplifting effects. And I kind of just talked about how lemon, lavender, and peppermint work with kind of helping with allergies too, but a little bit more on that. And it's just for making it super simple. The lemon, lavender, and peppermint all have different constituents that work with different functions and systems in our body, and so that's why those 3 oils work well together. So peppermint is good for reducing congestion and headaches, like I mentioned before. Lemon is going to work with your immune system. Eucalyptus is also great for respiratory, for those kinds of allergy symptoms. And then the blue oils, so camazuline is a constituent in like blue tansy, my favorite essential oil, and that is a really great essential oil also for allergies. So mix that in with your allergy blend. I know I'm already starting to, like on the warmer days, I already like feel it in my chest and in my nose, and I'm like, it's gonna be a bad spring. So I'm preparing. I do most of the time have to just take Flonase too, but in addition to other things, these oils work really well. Cleaning is next, and I have an entire blog post on this, so I'll link that below too, with different recipes that you can make with thieves, the concentrate, the cleaning concentrate, which I really love still. I don't get like a monthly Young Living essential oil order anymore, but I will always continue to order the Thieves Cleaner. It's the best ever, in my opinion, and I can't live without it. So that is something that I'll always order from them. But anyways, in addition to the Thieves Cleaner, these are some of the essential oils that we use. Lemon, it's just a good natural disinfectant. It's a degreasing, helps with, like, if you make a homemade soft scrub, which I'll have a recipe for below. It's just really great for getting grime and dirt and junk off of, like, boosting the power of other products. Tea tree is another essential oil that is really popular in cleaning. That can be really helpful for mold and mildew and those types of, like, fungal. It's anti-fungal, antibacterial, all of those things. Tea tree is super powerful. And then peppermint is going to help, again, with the rodents and the pests and things like that, to kind of deter them. And it also just, like, freshens up your cleaning products too. So when you're making a DIY cleaning product, you can add some of those. Orange is also really great. And then, like, pine essential oils can kind of give you that. If you like pine sol, it can kind of give you the scent boost. Okay, the last tip I'll share, because I don't want this video to go on forever, is lemongrass. This is such a good oil for plants. So I just made a reel on Instagram. I'll put that link down below too, but just in like an 8-ounce bottle, put a few drops of lemongrass with some distilled water, shake it up, spray down your plants. You can put it around your outdoor garden too, to help keep pests away. But it's also antibacterial, so it's just going to help with a lot of things with plants and keep your leaves shiny. And then you could also add a drop of lemongrass to a glass vase, or a vase of fresh cut flowers. It's supposed to help them last up to like 7 days longer than without, and I haven't tried that yet, so let me know if you've tried it and it worked for you, and I will update you guys down below in the comments once I do finally try it, to let you know if it worked for me. Okay, the last thing, all of the essential oil companies that we like are down below, and these are companies that I've done lots of research on, companies that we like and use in our home. I don't think that there is one essential oil company that is like one size fits all. I think they're all kind of different, and all have their pros and cons. So let me know what you think about that also, and what brands you like. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and let me know what essential oils you guys are using this spring. I hope you have a great day. Bye.